Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Vasavi Virtual Program. This is Satish Kumar, Faculty of Chemistry. Today, we are going to discuss one important topic from matter lesson. The topic is interconversion of matter. So, my dear children, if you observe the slide, matter is anything that which occupies space and having mass. So physically the matter is classified into three types, my dear children. One is solid, second one is liquid, third one is gas. So we can convert the solid into liquid, liquid into gas by giving heat energy, and as well as we can convert the gas into solid as well as gas into liquid by giving cool energy. Nothing but when we give heat energy to the solid is converting into liquid. That process name is known as melting. That process name is known as melting. So on heating, the solid is converting into liquid. But on heating, why the solid is converting into liquid? That is our doubt. So if you observe the picture, my dear children, this is solid. In the solid, the particles are very close to each other. Nothing but in the solid, in between the particles, great attraction forces are there. But when you supply heat energy to the solid, so that attraction forces are going to break. So immediately in the solid, the particles are going away from each other and you will get liquid on heating. So very simple children, when you heat the solid is converting into liquid because with that heating energy in between the solid particles attraction forces are there. That attraction forces are going to break. That is why on heating the solid is converting into liquid. That process is called melting, and melting is having another name, that is fusion. And as well as, my dear children, when you heat the liquid convert into gas. That is known as boiling. So boiling, another name also there, that is evaporation. So here, my dear children, you can get a point. So when you heat the liquid, in between the liquid particles, attraction forces are there. That attraction forces are going to break. So when you heat the liquid is turning into gas. That is known as boiling or evaporation. So why the liquid is converting into gas on heating? Because in between the liquid particles, attraction forces are there. That attraction forces are going to break when you supply heat energy to the liquid. So that is why on heating, the liquid is converting into gas. So, my dear children, after getting the gas, you can see here, after getting the gas can convert into liquid by supplying cool energy. Nothing but when you cool the gas is converting into liquid. Cool, nothing but you have to decrease the temperature on the gas as well as you have to increase pressure on the gas. So when you give cool energy to the gas is converting into liquid. So here so many students will get doubt on cooling why the gas is converting into liquid. Very simple reason children. The simple answer is you can get here. On cooling, the liquid is converting into solid, and as well as on cooling, the gas is converting into liquid. So when you cool the gas, in the gas also particles are there. That particles are very far away from each other. But when you cool, that particles in the gas reaches very close to each other. And as well as then the gas is becoming liquid. So just you have to remember, my dear children, when you cool the gas, in the gas, the particles are present, that particles are reaching very close to each other. Then the gas is turning into liquid. So that is known as condensation. And as well as, my dear children, when you cool the liquid convert into solid. So why on cooling the liquid is converting into solid? Very simple children. So when you cool the liquid, in between the liquid particles, the attraction forces increase. Nothing but the liquid particles joins very close to each other. Then the liquid become solid, that is known as freezing. So on cooling, the liquid convert into solid is known as freezing, and freezing is having another name that is called solidification. And my dear children, two more names you are observing here. One is a deposition, second one is sublimation. So sublimation is nothing but, my dear children, very simple. So when you heat the solid directly convert into gas. When you heat the solid directly convert into gas is known as sublimation. So you are supplying heat energy to the solid. Inside the solid, particles are there. In between the solid particles, attraction forces are there. That attraction forces are going to break, and immediately the solid convert into gas. So there is no liquid state in between solid and gas. So when the solid convert into gas on heating, you can call that is sublimation. And as well as, my dear children, when you cool the gas directly turn into solid. There is no liquid